Looking for next level pleasure from your Jackrabbit? California Exotic Novelties began it all with the original Jackrabbit, and today it's become a worldwide sensation. Presenting the Advanced G Jackrabbit, part of the advanced level of Jackrabbits. This rotating shaft with a G-curved tip will make you shiver and shake all over. It even reverses at the touch of a button. Nothing gets past the Advanced G as you go through its 10 functions of vibration and 4 speeds of rotation. Easy push-button controls make this rabbit a dream to handle. With an auto-off button, you can instantly stop the party. Great for surprise interruptions. Made of safe and pure materials. Waterproof for fun in the shower, tub, or even the pool. Also makes cleaning super easy. Insert 3 AA batteries into the Easy Load battery pack and you are ready to go. The world-famous Jackrabbit just got better with the Advanced G Jackrabbit.